Okay, students, first we will understand the format of your bank accounts, that is with regards to your balance sheet. Clear? Now, what is balance sheet consisting of? It is consisting of two parts. One is capital and liabilities and another one is property and assets. They have given us the schedules which you have to write it in a order itself. You can't jumble it in your question answer sheet or in your marks in your book. Okay, fine. So what comes the first one in capital and liabilities? The first one is what? Capital. Okay, after that reserves and surplus, deposits, borrowing, other liabilities and provisions. You have to bahart it because this is a format which you have to learn it. And in these schedules, okay, you will see segregation. What comes in capital, what comes in reserves and surplus, what comes in deposits and borrowings and other liabilities and provisions. For this video, we will just check with first, okay, 5 schedules. Clear with this? Okay. Now, under capital, what will come? I have given you a detailed notes of it. I had posted it in WhatsApp group. Clear? Now, under capital, what comes? Authorized capital, which will be not taken into consideration for calculation purpose. For that reason, we have to draw a line over here. Issued capital also, we shouldn't take it for calculation purpose because we have to not take it. Only we have to consider for calculation purpose which one? Subscribed capital. Under subscribed capital, if there are any calls unpaid, they will be giving in a question which are calls unpaid or either it is forfeited shares. Okay, after from the subscribed we have to less it. From the total again we have to add back forfeited shares. The total will be taken as what now? Capital in your format. Okay, this will be only 1 year what you have to go for. It will be only 1 year. Okay, that is previous year. Clear? Now the next one is what? Reserves and surplus. Under reserves and surplus, okay, very important is your statutory reserve, opening balance, okay, and additions during the year. What was the opening balance? We have to check it, and what are the additions during the year, and if there are any deductions, we have to less it. Okay, we will understand clearly when we are solving the problem. Then comes capital reserve. In capital reserve, again opening balance, additions and then deductions. If there is any share premium, again opening, additions and deductions, revenue and other reserves. And this is very important, that is 5th point, balance in profit and loss account. What we have checked with your profit and loss account ka balance at the last when we minus it, okay, that balance we have to take it over here. Clear? That will come in what? Reserves and surplus. Then deposits. Under deposits, what will be there? Demand deposit from banks and from others, and then saving bank deposits, then comes term deposits from banks and others. These 3 are very important for you people. Deposits means what? Other people are depositing in a bank. That is a liability on a bank to pay for them whenever they ask for. For that reason, it is a liability. Clear? That because of that reason it is a liability. These deposits are the deposits of the other people, not of bank. Okay, so they have to pay whenever the deposit are been asked for. Okay, for that reason it is a liability. The next one is borrowings. Okay, borrowings done by the bank, borrowings done from, okay, borrowings taken from RBI, borrowings taken from other banks, or borrowings taken from institutions, or borrowings taken from outside the India. Then comes schedule 5, other liabilities and provisions. Please be perfect with this. Other liabilities will come with what? Bills payable, inter-office adjustment, that is net. If in a question, if it is on credit balance, then it becomes a liability. If it is on debit, it will become what? It will become asset. Interest accrued and others, okay, including the provisions. So please be perfect with this 5 schedules properly, bahart them, so that whenever we solve a problem it will be very easy for you. In next video I will post another remaining. Okay, thank you.